Ne day se tetrema eda abodwiem na emoja edi mafisane a odofo enye boni aye fa sida ema Israel domberema no abusuafo enidie kwa so ye mamu nyina afinhyiapa ye da onyankopon ase said the year 2024 wodi etwa na asomdwiem na 2025 nso no wodi ya bewrem yesre ne se yakoma so ade a eye akoma so ade papa ewo the year 2025 mu Israel domberema no omanemrem ewo enkunimdie mu emfa emaye abusuafo enidie kwa so yesa emo apaba Edba Home TV and Akumewu TV yedwumadi atwindi Koowaa morning show the best global political show ena anopemosomfo ode hyeba kwaku edisipoku mampon kontonchi ne de hye da sebre osebo nsu a otoso mienu de hye konkron ensoja osio abrobo mitim mene team of producers led by Jake and afi MC anso ubehu senior Kobe honum champion famous and afi Adom Best the chief executive producer Sam Dakus the humble and hard-working man Sam penifo training tree and anope omahye the best global political show bosomfo wode hyeba kwaku edisipoku meso matra medwema mede ebrel anopei mewo efutusem eni inkranhyesem edemaw ewa bra yewura the year 2025 na efutusem eni inkranhyesem a anopei mede maw eni say pray and plan obo empire no na o plan the year 2025 minim se botaye bebre vision bebre ena awo nanso emfa wonsa enhye wo dem refem in economics we call something scale of preference ebi a opese okọ market ekwe shopping kakra ube the list of item the list of wants enyoma ohia no ube chọchọrọ egu krata aso ube timi atobi untimi ntobi je untimi ntono in economics ye find opportunity cost the want now went me am fulfill the went me am purchase no ye find opportunity cost afi big plans master plan enye mpaibo nko a empaibo ehia obo mpae no na o plane se ubeko school a obeboaboa ho se ye aware na apeso aware a obeboaboa ho se ye dwuma e na o pae a obeboaboa obetro letters e dia ko enmakuo ahodum. This morning I want to encourage you, I want to motivate you, pray and plan. As you are praying, you keep on planning. Na enyoma nyina etimi awie peye ewo nkunindiem e dia ma in the year 2025, the year of Almighty Allah. Ebusuafo anopei we ni efutusem, we ni inkranhyesem a bedema obi bia anopei wagibra ohwe Kumewu anase Home TV Koowaa morning show. Indeed, this is the best global political show willy nilly. Na Facebook Adom Best. Adom Best. Ubetimi akohonum na o comment bia no o de afa honum o de ba I'll take my polite, matured and ample time na makenkai e de amount. Na ye hear stories making the headlines. Na Yera His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Omanpenifo fra Ghana this year na 7 December dodo na akogina simpie so eto aba edema no na emra na onam no wobo ntoa for election 2024 no o hye tememufo a ewo boko ene ne mpatem ebo se entokwa da ne da nyina esie ewo boko no oba wona nkasa ebehwe se bibia enso ebekọ jojo na ode osiye ayoya na watchi mu first assignment awadi kai every presidency akwense wakoboko ene nananom empanifo tememfo wonum akosi enkonya ahwe ekwan pa basabasaye mentemu wase a ekoso ewoboko ene mpatem no obetimi asi anokai ene die kwa so yentie nsema Yera His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edituja
Overlord of Boko. I just want to emphasize a bit of what he said. If you remember, I came here to see the blessings of my father for the election, and God granted our heart's desire, and I got elected. And so my first mission was to come and say thank you to him. Again, during the campaign, I stated that if God granted our desire and I was elected president, bringing peace to Boko was going to be one of my #1 priorities. So today is exactly 1 week when I was sworn in at the Black Star Square. And it's my first major assignment outside Accra. And so I decided to come and assure you that we're going to work very hard to make sure that we bring peace back to Boko. I remember when I was president, Boko and surrounding areas were very peaceful. And work was going on, people were going about their duties. It's sad that this situation...
So way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Bearman Munyanfo, Bear Martin Gramwa, Timemfua, Ewa, or my Concon Ghanaian, Akoto, Abaman, say, Onye, ye mam penny, in the next 4 years. Na Yura, and so any security services and penny for Asia, na wachimu, na Obo Mabasu ye pa, say, election 2024, security agencies ahodoa ewo oman Ghana ma mutime bua ma enkunimdie eba na ma no enso wa monkoso a emo adumaden ematememfo a ewo oman konkron Ghana se de be ya bambo mapa ye pe no ye nsa betimi aka ebusuafo ye ntie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
A good part of the thanks go to you, the security services, who have maintained the peace. We still have threats to our peace that we must continue to look at internally and externally. Internally, to do with chieftaincy disputes and some incidents of armed robbery and things like that. Externally, to do with the threats on our northern borders. And so we cannot let our vigilance down. There should be no vacuum. And so you must all continue to work, as the CDS said, zealously, to make sure that there's no...
So way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na Unmonyamfo Major General Thomas Opompepra, Chief of Defense Staff, one also His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bosse, Security Service Ahudua, Ewo Oman Ghana Mayan, Eberese Bambo Mapa, Timemfo Airpeno, Womonsa Ebetimi Aka, Ebusuafo, Yentie Major General Thomas Opompepra, Chief of Defense Staff.
I assure you of our loyalty, professionalism, and dedication. We've been working together as a team, meeting all the complex challenges of the security environment. By working together as a team, we've been able to keep this country quiet and stable. Mr. President, I want to assure you that we are going to continue with even greater zeal to ensure that we maintain the...
For any day class way, Udmonyamfo Major General Thomas Opompepra, Chief of Defense Staff, and also Edia Tuyera, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and him say, Posty for a slab for any other security service, Ewo Oman Ghana Mayan, Ebeoma family, said Ebea, Timemfo Ebenya Bambo Mapa. Na Udmonyamfo Simon or Sir Mensa, Enkanen, Asante Mantem Swafo, na nanse na manfo bonachie pa se papa we super incompetent obetena Asante Mantem se soafo no adwuma we ya de na enso ni kra na ye presidential villa na se residence ewo Asante Mantem na nka we se usiesie na akotena na enso wantimi ankwa ankosiesie antena honom eno ena yewura Simon ose mensa se de bi ma obia emo ne so board na sika na nke wese omuhia na omde esa ensiesie no wo monsa antumi anka eti na amo ono so antumi ayedai ankwa nkosiesie no wei asema yewura Simon ose mensa enka ne Asante Mantem soafo ede ato yanim na eye odmonyamfo Dr. Amwako ehene Dr. 1 wono ena sabe de yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni se Asante Mantem ade okopiem vetting committee nanim na se yagini tuma Asante Mantem young guy medical man doctor ni preko pe 35 years sabe de abodi din se Asante Mantem omna me soafo parliamentary select committee and appointment committee no agini tuma ene Asante Mantem yenya youth bono so eba be soafo na mabru ni bi ene agiye papa eno na Dr. Frank Amwako ne ede atu eja se said omo kan no manifesto mu se omo de omo ba project ewe oman Ghana mu na nkenka Asante Mantem no omo bewie ansa na omo di project fufuro bi aba no eno a na omo ba omo bedi so ebusuafo yentie be men monyamfo Dr. Frank Amwako hene
for the region. Then when I'm speaking on these issues, it wouldn't be as though my vision is contradicting what the president's vision for the region is. And the general manifesto issues we spoke about during the campaign, the key areas where we indicated say we want to make sure we improve the economic condition of the people and create jobs and embark on a massive infrastructure drive to make sure we develop the country. Asante within its facility, a trade hub, and in doing the donor, it is any businesses. So job creation and all these areas there are there at the Makumasi, and also making sure there is job security so far as the youth is concerned. And the project will be there as I have to say to the president so that I can be very sure say ABCD projects that have been initiated both by the MDC and the MGP are all well captured in the respective budgets so that it wouldn't be like abandoned radio, abandoned radio.
We Dr. Frank Amwako hene wono na abepiem Asante Mantem we churchofo edema NDC chinye amanyoko na sabe de His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Aboni din say vetting committee no agini tuma Asante Mantem the youngest minister ene omrai na empuntuo abo tememfo ewo Asante Mantem ontimi empre empuntuo emfame na onumunyamfo Dr. Kwame Ansa Asare wono kopiem University of Ghana wono wo kire amanyo papa yi edi ensembi atudwa se han ene amanfo edi akoto ententen fidie so ebo na chi se an enkane no wasenka E11 yanyim firi honum nanso yewura John Dramani Mahama ebetena Ghana konya so de wasase san se ayede to ene chechire oman wose won kan de biara da se wono Dr. Asasante akase E11 yentwem Dr. se onka bi da ene metimi akọ abefo ententen fidie so na ne nsem a oka efa E11 ho no motimi akọ no makenkai na motibi abusuafo ndie kwa so yentie Dr. Kwame Asante Mercy
duty to make generate revenue from within to run it affairs. So if government want to use taxation to arrive at this, I am all for it. But the problem that I have is that the magnitude of the taxation, in other words, the incidence, how high is the tax and all that. That my argument has always been that if it is lowered and then to the barest minimum that people can accommodate that, then we are good to. But to cancel a tax, I have never been part and parcel relating to an E-levy. And so I want to state it clearly here that all that people are reading from social media that I have said that, at a point in time I said E-levy should be scrapped, and today I'm saying that they should bring it back, is all lie, is all propaganda, and there's no truth in that. And if people want to understand this more, I have more evidence. Just Google Asante /E-levy 2022-2023. The stories are there. You've been
way for Dr. Asa Asante, or a political science lecturer, one NSA and some amount for Cassie I, the position on E-levy, what changing the doctor say, won't changing no. Na say ena aban eye and share say, any ye blue power, any VR, or mo be merge, and as mo combining, ana amalgamate, or mo beka, abum, and no ena timemu for one eye juma e blue power. Any via omukoko epa ye pa na energy minister yewra John Dramani Mahama abodi din foforo eye bema ni monyamfo bema anwofe John Abdullahi Jinapo wono enso e di ensem bi atudwai wa bra okopiem of vetting committee enim no wo se enya dia VR ene blue power ye ba beto na emom empanifo eye nhihye se wo mo ebe meje eno ena chairman Edema VR senior staff eye onmonyamfo Theophilus ahia ede ensem bi ababetu dwa se blue power any VR okaboma emfahwe ema.
And being he is going to be our sector minister, definitely we will have an engagement with him and we will share our opinion and points with him. Our point is this, it's very simple. Everybody is mentioning merging we and VR, but nobody is giving any concrete reason why we intend to do that. Look, let me say that we project was started by VRA, or we said the design were handled by VRA until when President Trump came in and he sought funding from China, Sino Hydro. Then they said, okay, let's create an authority so that there will be some competition. VRA is already in this business, so that it will be a new dynamism that they will bring forth. And we, after its construction, has become a picking plant. It's not a base load plant. We cannot run all the generate. It's generated 24/7.
Any day kwaso wey ayo monyamfo Thomas ahia wono na chairman Emma senior staffer eye adwuma e wo VR e no de ensem bi atodwa se ye ka blue power any VR bom kura na enya de a e de emfaso bia e bebre tememfo a e wo oman konkron ganema na ukopiem e wo Ada state Ada traditional council wo mukoko apaye papapa na nanum koko apaye nyina ne se eye enchine a tememfo anagana ni eye electrocamfo no akwaje omutu nchine amatememfo a ewo Ada enya adwuma ye no omukwankwote a mrantie bi a ewo Ada mpatam abo ewura se adwuma komu akwakose wo munyoma nyina eno ena Ada traditional council say so bo ne de wo mo de bebo NDC fo mpanifo a ewo mpatam ofi se NDC ni bi ena kokan se yewura John Dramani Mahama se Ghana fo to abama na ene electrocam na ewo Adan ewura contact no wo mo beje afi wo mo nsem na nene ogude ochire wono eye mankrado ema Ada traditional council ebusuafo yentie no emra sisiye.
The top member of the NDC from the Sege constituency made certain utterances on the 1st of December 2024, and notably among what he said was, quote, once President Mahama is sworn, they will take over the Songo. These actions have created a lot of fear and panic and heightened insecurity in the Adan traditional area. The Adan Traditional Council is outraged at this kind of events, given that it spearheaded the grant of the lease, the assumption of salt mining by Electrochem in the Adan traditional area, and therefore brings the above issue to the attention of government for urgent resolution.
Any day kwaso wey nene ogude ochire wono mankado ema Ada state wono enese so bo no de wo de bebo NDC for na ebusuafo ye nyina ye beka ya ope ohaw abenedi a edebre ye nuanum akuafo bi a na omwo 8 regions mantem akoma be se 8 na sa epei ese wo mumfudie no ene Dr. Brian Echampon a na enka ne wona eso afọ hwe yekua ensem ene emfudie so ene aban no ekọ kọhye akuafo ni nyina ebo se ye ka se be one village one dam amamo ye ntimi anya amamo atwe amamo no bai aside a ene ye betam sika twitwidie edi amamo na akuafo ne se se ne ena na nado dan kwa kufu ado aban ene ye beto abama Dr. Bawumi amana ba betra so aba betu ade a omuntimi ehun na sika no wan Ghana si de kura no enya de amonsa etimi aka ebusuafo yenti akuafo a wo ho kire wo e wa bra epe ese wo mfudie.
Up till now, we've not been able to even get anything from anywhere. District Mufa director was at the farm, followed by the regional director, and some number of officers came in several times to do that they want to take coordinate and what have you, and everything was done. I think that the promise was like a deceive. And they just deceived us and left the whole thing. If the government have taken the money, I think the Green Minister should be questioned for that because the money, I believe, is still with them. It has not been given to anybody, as I'm told. I farm about over 250 acres, and people went to my farm to expect how the dry has affected me. So now, they haven't given
so when ayakuafo bi a epe ese omufudi a na nado dan kwa kufu ado Dr. Bawumi aba ehye ombo se won be mo musika no ebesi ne enyade a wo monsa etimi akan sika no na ye wapkofo West Africa Pipeline Company Limited omo se enkensiesi a enkomo ba be ye efa yenyam enkeni a eho ensensem no sa bredi omo nim so omo ya dubuso ebeba eti omo twentwen omo na ase kakra ansa na emne papem no omo aye ensiesi na onimonyamfo JFK Justin Frimpong Kodua churchofo penny edema MPP for say sabre woda soda soda ye parliamentary seat said the MPP for ekogina say enkiento mo so aba no memra hye bedwafo awurade nyankopon enkugu omudi ye no wo se wadadwene ho a efi say yeto abawie no wontimi kura ensole enwene ho akura nyedai enwie no se ekura ese maka na menwe sanso na onyoma ehwiegu a na hukwan a obefa so a obehihye no we ensema efi churchofo penny Emma MPP also kokoko amanyoko no ababeto Koowaa morning show so on Kumawu anase home TV. Na onimonyamfo man best and champion MP Samuel Okudzeto Abraka Ghana kogina simpie so 2024 ekokoto abana parliamentary seat election na ekoye no percentage wise bono enenya akese onya be 95%. Samuel Okudzeto Abraka enenya akese percentage unya best 95 oba Ashanti regional Dr. Oseya Edittion bosomtwe enso enenya akese wonu nso nya best 90% na Samuel Okudzeto Abraka operation recover all loot ora no wono ena etitire ni wose awurade da bia obesole ya wo na aso beji ejapade no wo ade ede beye wo ade ede beye Samuel Okudzeto Abraka se da ne da nyina no eya na threat ena eba no so enam oman Ghana wafa ato no so se wobekon ama oman Ghana akwanim ebusuafo anopai any of the stories making the headlines captured by Kumawu TV microscope eno edi ABC na kanation say Koowaa morning show live on Kumawu or home TV and afi Facebook adom best no great point drilling ena asoyasne great point drilling say opese obutu ensu papa edemawa ene ensuo sika abamu ye papa na opese utu ensuo na odigiska opese utu ensuo ewo school awo ewo wasoro dem ewo ufiefie anase baby biara opese utu ensuo ne de global ufre great pointer womo so ebeba no maba bedi dwumadie no edi ama madam fu bia tunsuo na contractor adan ne denya no okofa na nye contractor papa otupe wasi asibuo so otupe wasi asibuo so great point borehole drain one touch pa or pointy pe na kotunsuo no womo wo mamponten asenia omone super building no na edi enhwanimu great point na etu yensuo amen machines a yedi etu nsuo yedi reserve ni nyina no womo so ewobi o machine say a womo betimi asiesie ne kama edi ama nsuo no so no o pese o betreat edi ma wa ene nsuo no treat na chemicals microorganism bebre o pese obi betreat nsuo no ma na purify and potable drinking water great pointer o maso ye no mamponten asenia opposite super building no ɛhɔ ɛna ɛwɛ sɛ okɔ yɛmfɛ grade point pennyfoɔ ɛwɔ 0243 910292 0243 910292 ɛyɛ grade point during ɛna ɛwɛ sɛ wode w'ani ɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ nisak professional painting nisak professional painting wɔn wɔ Kumase Asante Mantem ahodwo ɛyɛ Atinga Junction baabi a Kumawood anaasɛ home TV ɛwɔ no ɛhɔ ɛna abɛhu nisak professional painting saa bere yɛsi afe foforom school dan no painti ho na nyɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ asɔre dan no painti na nyɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ ufie no painti na nyɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ market area offices ahodoɔ nyinaa no nisak professional painting na so yɛ ɛna ɛwɛ sɛ mode moni ɛkyerɛ sɛdeɛ medical kan no mo Kumase Atinga Junction maka kyerɛ sɛ in economics branding ɛka adetɔn ɛho branding a wayɛ u product the way a wasi apenti ufie the way a wasi branding u product no ɛno na ɛbɛ attract customers ama ɔmo akɔ akɔtɔ na nisak professional painting yɛmfɛ mpanyinfo 0243 338204 0243 338204 ɛna afei mo a mo amono +1 401 584 0985 +1 code no 401 584 0985 nisak professional painting they are the champion and expert when it comes to painting na odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboah odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboah woni ni awiye me onyankopon edifo a wayi nama ewiase afanan na oji nyamema afiri ye haw ene ya benedim yesi afefufurom odofo said the anopena me hye unkuran no say empaibo ene planning na wiemrem ope onyame akoa onyame difo the original seer obetimi ahwe utiri so abesi unaso aka afi de wo wanim akyerewa odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboah odrobo japekurum ahye na wese ode wani ekyere na ono so de enhyira bi a ewese wonsaka wafi mu no ohwe na ni na wonsaka no me biara edawa bra boso ewa afi mu so no woyi efiri so yemfa onyame difo odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboah ewa 0243 356583 0243 356583 and afi 020 715 1288 020 715 1288 odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboah wono kwa ne Awurade difo a ewie me waje na wode na maye ne a oje nyamema afiri ye haw ene ya benediem eni ntino enche ye betwa ye ho aba na afi me bana metenase a na me ne mabedwafo no enso e de enkomotwetwe no ahyehye so na from the camp of the ruling party the great NDC ofata senior communication team member edema NDC eno onmanyamfo Albert Edusafo budo wono so ebeginem ede ama MPP wososen wono ena agoni din finance minister ena afi onmanyamfo Dr. Dominic Ayeni Esquire wono so minister for attorney general and justice sanso ena ye onmanyamfo John Abdullahi Jinapo wono so energy no so no wabon the regional ministers 16 no wayi maako eye 10 ena afi so eno a national security corps officers enso wayi maako enan national security officers a wayi wo ena omo eda infoni so ko Facebook ubetimi de wadwe nkyerɛ nso aba WhatsApp message ana SMS message 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 SMS ana sa WhatsApp message afabra Facebook enso Adom Best o person sponsor the best global political show so ayewie show na fempanifo the same line 0243 12 36 46 ena no pay globally obia ehwe na vetting committee atnase anas appointment committee atnase na domkuma no minority no say the omukoko apai omo say chairman of the vetting committee onmunyam for Richard ahiafo awono woye deputy first speaker na afenso was higher chairman Emma vetting committee a wurade tata MPP for no papa oka sam kra na ya was it enye oma on sasos hey kachi fansa to honum asem papa be na wo ebusa minister designate minority no ekoko apaye papa na wey ensem ba ko mienu a ene daba maso a me ne mabedwafo e ba bedwendwum na answer na mema abedwafo akaba no yebetie yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was say anti LGBTQI bill no was say government sponsored bill eni kwan say ankrankran e na sponsor yebetie yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aba na afi so yetie onumonyamfo lawyer Gideon Boakon a woyem na hye bedwani e mata no no fa parliamentary committee no and vetting committee no woka ho e na afi onumonyamfo lawyer John Darko no e na si chairman Samuel anan e wo so ame wono so e ka ho yebetie yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na afi this appointment committee members e minority no so yetie wo mo abasisi a.
But as far as I know, the bill did not get to the president for assent, and so the convention is that all bills that are not assented to before the expiration of the life of Parliament expire, and so that bill effectively is dead. It has expired. I don't know what the promoters of the bill intend to do, but I do think that we should have a conversation on it again so that all of us, if we decide to move that bill forward, move it forward with a consensus. And probably it shouldn't be a private member's bill. It probably should be a government bill with government behind it after consultation with all the stakeholders to see how we're able to move this forward. But it leads us back to the discussion we had.
He's a law professor. When approved, he is going to be the chief enforcer of our laws. When he appeared before the committee and was asked about the legality of this Koowaa, he justified it. He justified the unconstitutional establishment and putting together of people who go about harassing former government officials.
Every matter in detail. Unfortunately, this was not the case. Members of the committee were not provided with a series of the nominees ahead of the voting. When they were eventually set, TVs doing the voting, the chairman did not allow, having served as a deputy minister of finance and a ranking member of the Finance Committee, one would have expected his answers to be forthright and to exude concrete solutions. For instance, on the specific matter of whether the government would cater for the first year tuition fees or academic facility user fees of tertiary students as promised, we found the minister designate's response highly disappointing. How can a finance minister designate look into the faces of
any dear kwaso ote yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana man penifo fra Ghana for ato aba no say until LGBT bill QI+Z bill no e we say aban sponsor any kwan say ankranko no so na minority e wo mra hye bedwa fie honum MPP for no wo say an ene chairman vetting committee no or tata mo pa omubusa nsem bi a ombese obebusa o hwe yewura Dr. Kesa Stoforsen finance minister designator omubusa nse no fee stress no da ben na ban na hye ase a wosi onim na omudi tumi ne mana ene obetimi akwa yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no abusa no sanso na onumunyamfo Dr. Dominic Akuntingi Ayeni wono so minister attorney general and justice wono so ohwe na eni kwan se di bia no ekede man efri se obi abe attorney general wan kasa wadi kai e di aban no akokot company am ye twa judgment debt e di amount na we di se ne wan kasa judgment debt woni aban ekon wa na asai aban lawyer ni a wo sa ebedi enkunim we eni nsem ba ko mienu miensa ene edaba maso a mene abedwafo ebe take our polite mature time to digest and diagnose sabede ofata atenase Sanso na Albert Edusafo Budu enso atrase. Ofata good morning.
Ohene me Joshua Wisimiura.
Openikese na pom ye de.
Nyame adawro ma ne mompaibo ane Ghana fo adom. Esesa abanboni ya ote yesu. Hu se Ghana ye boko asomdua.
Okay.
Ohene ma me fa kwanya yesu na me nchia yewura. Otumfo se to opem so asante mewura.
From ya asante kotoko hene se.
Fia o.
Nana mpaso. Na empanifo se ya ye nchia nana. Ye srem patenten ene de man. Okay.
Edisi nana no macha nkonwa so dia ene naja. Etimidru ne nsem. Na makọ contacts ya hemfie eye be ma fie na mama be ma pia ne na tena nkonya ene me no ka say ebo be no mienu a be ma tena se nti ato nsa de firi mo
nso madam for na chia me o ai name no
thank you ya to nsa ade chia efere mu nyina na amefa kwanya esu na menchia NDC mpanimfo e wa Ashanti region na kwasi sa na efere mu guest na Andrews na kwasi adwumawura oye din so no oye adwuma no
silence nkasa
otimide parliamentary seat no call 100% increment
wow
and not from our Ashanti region what promise yes
47.7 no more ntimi anyam people
David
sir watch
me say you are increasing the 100% increment
okay
enti ye ka kire Ghana fo nyina say ni da so na ye ka kire Asanteman so say vote amotoma andis no ye ni omunhwa moda adwumaden bia wo say ye no ye beye e de amom nti ye ma ye wura amo akonye nso regional minister designate ye ma no akwaba na ye sunsum ni ye kra bia so e beta na chi odanse mi wura
me so me da se abusuafo ni bi kwa so ofata senior communication team member Edema NDC Chinye Amariko Budo. Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel so.
Oh, I feel compared
so. Sabeti for near for
you baby that's mefa sakwenye so na machia me party mpanyufo enyina ene full soldiers so bibia wo ye adwuma de boa party ni bia nso no machia no na fe machia eye mention of constituency and I think me ankasa me krom for jama secretary for lawyer Sabin so machia mpa ye now wa hwe I can say a braille handle over the man mimia ofata mu no muni ade asisi no muni ade o master teaching futuro pepese o mu de gu de be timamufo ani but then Ghana fo ani da ho no mu ye bo hye bia mo hye ye bia no se mo ankasa mo ye de be mu di so
sure
fi say wo no wo ka kire se menua bako na mo ye wura JM mo promise mo kan ye say nyame ya dom no muni ade a ye free tertiary ye kan say
and yes am pepem be wura
oh da bi
wo be ba ho
wo ni se tie
ho no wura ho
da bi wo tie da bi se won say university for no mo aye de wo ma bie school
okay
eto mo bie school no minua na wo aye de be what top form
wo train sika
wo train say ni free level 100 ye no
no free stress
na be ba so ati ase ana afi
o ofata be chile mu do ofata be chile we entia o
da bi tie
won
dey share ba tie say jeb ani wo fata
we yan sha ase o
menim sa dem entity ho no
achi awie yan
ana me kan say me say mabobo mi kukobuo no ho
du twa
nkukọ no me manfo ni me twen say nkukọ ma no be de be ebeba
asa na mbo say anya pose
me abeje wasi nkukọ ma no enti e twen so ati ase ana secondary school for no secondary school for no sanitary pad no
Mate be ko onumanyamfo Albert Edusafo edabusiafo edidie kwa so wote kan ubetimi do adwenkyira ba WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Facebook Adom Best Facebook Adom Best na me sha ase afri ofa atahon ofata so far so good yenhwe yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointment away na fi vetting committee atenase na minority no esa accuse mo say there be chairman tata wo dodo ensem ya ekoso na mamema wo sima edu na afi nso wadwenkyere yempo
ohene mi danse say me tia madin krachi ya ne de na wahwefo nso machi o na yakoya
okay
menua mpanifo si yedi jawa na yedi aso
sa pepepe
na ohwe ekwan a Ghana fo fa so ede cho abadema NDC a akire se Ghana fo wo gidie ewo NDC Ohwe dwuma ama nso na ho keka ene na ho fama a odi di dwuma na e kire se wa ye ready se obeso me kai pa video bi a me hwe eye ye nia ye nua Poliando osi Ghana fo si wo monto mo bu 4 years de wa ha ye be osi hwe 4 years bro nya mako enan
MPP Ashanti Regional Communication Director. Okay.
Wasi wo matina wo mo enti wo mo betina fie bro nya mako enan
Say mu wa ma wo.
Emu wa mo na mka chim se hwe ye tena si bro nya mako wotwe. Ye timi tina fie bro nya mako wotwe.
Na bro nya mako na
nine na wusu. Ombeko du nsia ne aduo. Yes.
Mu break it.
Because so MPP fo nsua bibi enfiri wo mo efom bo ehu. Die tia me ka hwe menua ayampe a wototo. Wano wabobɔ ne buo, wabobɔ budget a eye adwuma sesi aye ho budget na eye.
First 3 months.
Eye ho budget. Eti so onim se wo gye san kokobuo no ebo a ogidi ene kokon ketenkete na anka sa budget na wo ye no. Anka wanfa kokon ketenkete no anji.
Wasi ano ya momo policy.
Eti eye policy, wo budget nso na erane. Eti wo pese yemfa wan sika.
Budget ben.
Oh, omunye serious. Politics ni nyesa ye ka se wo criticize aban nti no abetena wa na wo ka bi abra ababia anim. Ebi ni de omo ye ne parliament sesi e. Ye wo kroduam ya ye hunu bi o. Eti bira na jo wo se ewusu edidi suhili no. Yeti MPP majority there no. No nim say e wrong thing na jo wo se ewusu.
So you do me, I do you.
It is not about you do me one would trust sato wa amanfo faso. Wa wo dan ya wo no. Se wo totokuro bi fa baabi. Se wa wo di be akronfo fa mo di baabi. Fantastic. But what you say? Enti ade na ada no wo ye na wo hunu funfu. Ade na de wo complain. Abre na ye tufu ka cho say democracy ni ye practice. Enti mo obi afa here no. Wo si de bi ye ne sa wo na tumi ni wa wo nsem. Ana o yusu tumi. Na say ye ya bodua no anche na ntwie no to no. The same thing na bodua no so enka konfo nsem. Ene bodua no kwasesa ya. Wo si de bi abohyire mu ni de musuo na eba. Na wo de na de bo powder. Eti ye na hwa na ye de bo. I see. Eti ye kan china people for say, wo mo kura ye kura de na ye 137 yo. Esumu mo ke sure say one independent back no be support mo no. Mutimi de ye adwuma to your satisfaction. And na ye ka che say mo ye minor minority, mini minority. Mo ye minority nketenkete, minute. Eti mo kama no ntu na ye mu o man nkyira mo. And let's say ye ka say ye mu 100 kura emma parliament a still ye do so sene mo.
Ya ne mawu.
Che NDC members of parliament ka say e mu 100 mu nkyira fi ma mo nko parliament kura na still ye do so sene mo.
Do mu wadwuma ye.
George Darko ne so me MP ne dende no mo person ye bi me ya to mo ka keke. Gidi obo akomo. On me ye serious. On be so mo constituency mu sa ampa mo so akọ parliament.
Member.
When was the first time mo hu say Suhili ya dia ya kai no akọ second term no. Se ti an third term no we. Every pain na hu say first time our parliament. Yama no kwan kra na atira committee so anasa wakasa. Ka bi kira ye we sentroni.
So mu sha na ja mu di bi akekọ.
Enu nti na ye ka che say mo ketwa nketenkete no. Mo fia sa no ma anu no. Enti na mo pramanya advantage. Akọtina sa aye no committee ni so. Mo tina si na mo hunu fumso a mo ye ya homa so ne dwe na mo ye na ban mu no. E Ghana for to abati am no. Mo mfa sa ade no sa ma opposition. Anye sa mo betina ho ache. Ye musa ye ho say die o ka say last year budget a wo mo ye so be kai pa budget a ye majority then edwane free parliament so mo budget wo mo mpene Emma enyintu okay Emma minority kwaje tu mu a akiri omo asa betena ase ekọ okay
yeah
sa hu maso ni dwe we nyina mo de tena aban mu Emma Ghana fo mu se da bi mo odwe mo nkotena ase na mo
fia mini budget pra ya twe wo mo o ma mfa ama
mini budget ya wo no wo be kan kiti say yel fan kokon kiti ene yi stress when he am
say my accept tax better
well MPP and Kasano omo ye curse to my Ghana no politically curse to my Ghana
it also free
I was say party nan kasa ye guno
e wo pata
oh ne ye de koye me na make at club You're the Korea club, social club.
Okay.
Until you buy no MPP fundraising club and MPP international club. Now I'm with the to Nichebi.
Say Chebi di oko.
Missing Kemeko Chebi.
Okay.
I'm not taking advantage of MPP. Kasa muwa ben muna muntimen kasa. Yes, more members of parliament meeting as catch was say finance minister omwa ye you catch was say Akufo Addo current me chire de onye according to and their peer could. And the moment ya no kasa. But that's the beauty of democracy.
Sure.
Na me nipa ne de ye me mo papa ye Swami MP. Say chairman Sabunsu. MPP anim biase nyina kase ni gina ne so. Ebere mo yi no ma every majority one no ye na gese me nkasa bi no kana no tum. So timi shape wo mo te say de ne less than 1 week in administration o. The man ya were ho no. Less than 1 week in administration. What that is okay to that here by. Akufo Addo ba ye 3 months na minister ba kokura no onyi no. Come find out. Less than 1 week yetimi amao 10 regional minister designate.
Sure.
Your mouth three sectorial ministers. Your mouth 4 national security ministers. And you would tell what do Nimri Council, what man about
the 2 weeks ya appointment in every.
and show record what day you na. What by what call the first time in office 1 week in it.
Yeah.
And I'm about
Any Tuesday.
and Nora. Because you swear no Tuesday.
Yeah, it's any and right.
Sir. Now was with me on my way. Now we share a quiet so mo fa so a yen she share phone the 2 1 mile or mile to a sense there. Fuel cry a debate a power plant cry for electricity cry muja 5 hours. Muja 5 hours. And yet yen chichiri o man sir. Mu ye wadwene say mu de o man na 2 amina dokodoko na de obebe bia no abre. Your mama se me compreni.
Yeah.
Because me banamia minim. As a dan Kenyan coupon said, Burkina Hayao, Burkina, and also no ye military leader. Within 2 hours, no ama order say ye Ghana for fuel. And ye knew Burkina Hayao, and co parliament and no ama order. Mutiana mo compreni. Yes, I'm being editor about it.
Omo to question na.
Omo come to question you, no ama Ghana fuel 21 million liters. Samonye. Na mo fam power wo kono waja 5 million wo enye wani wu enti Jamaica ni say doma magina kwanu
Okay.
wasi kwanu so wo kọ na wade Ghana fo na ekọ enye ndisi fo na wade omo kọ wade Ghana fo say wutie minority nsem omo ka airtime say omo participate on oral.
Yeah.
Ye ka tro omo
Almost said number.
we will force them to participate.
Almost said number.
Minia we yes centroni free SHS emra ben na dano
For no mobile bill.
emra ben na dano arani 8 years and arani 8 years
Around.
ayo ye Ghana no ye practice executive presidency constitution no so ba ban ne kwan ya say we ye executive president no
Executive power.
we have executive power it would mean the committee and I say enipa tumi na wo no bi e hye nipa bia nsa so woni dwuma. So what is help to me in Shannon, sir? A year, Juma. Ye were my friend said, Operation Galamso. Stop. I'm Rabban and yes. And to seek millions of dollars. And yet, you will to a sense, say, Omunia 2 years to a sense, Omutimi sees the amount for excavators. No much should be. No beans woman, we are 500 excavators, bringing a mobile boom work on Tanti. Musada, if they fail to attend to the aura, we will pick the preacher who said, hey, yes, we will hold them accountable. Young woman, Matinaho, and fat and Kosha constitution. Me say, sir, MPP minority, mini minority, MPP, MP, getting so mu fail, say, best responsive to the aura now. We will go to their offices and drag them to the aura to be accountable to the people. Minia, ye what has says here. So here we now you be began.
Police ni ba nya no kora.
Who police ni so chetuntuma, won ye boni bia wo began.
Never.
E dey ben MPP for person mo dey fear wo man. Anka mo kro na mo encourage mo nkrofo say he, omso mbechi atu. Bibia mo me nyina ye nkọ. Na ye nhwe because won say won ni boni. So tia say, ana MPP NDC emma emetina konwa so say ye be ye we chanting. Say nipa ne nyɛ hwee no watwem dabi it will never happen na ye mu bi kura so
so far so good appointment nso a why who ni say
appointment
ni agye ho ana ebi won ma nkoyi
so far deɛ me hu deɛ metimi aka sɛ enkoyi because utie deɛ na ye nua no mo ka sɛ ayini
judgment day yeah on the company we twa ban damage
na ayi enti sɛ aban no twa sabɔne na mmara no ne aban no edi a ɛno kyerɛ sɛ wontimi nsom ban na wontimi nya kwanya enso enkyerɛ wadwena na deɛ wopɛ sɛ oyɛ yes MPP for appointment so far not a single person MPP near we genuine minded person ebetimi aka sɛ asemasi deɛ on deserve ba bia de na to no okay ye besere ye mu omakwanya no mo mesom wo man because o man ne kyekere no MPP ni kura no betimi aye adwuma ewu mu a ye mfa ne mra provided say when ye na dwene say obesabotage aban ne de ye de edom na kyekere wo man na ye so wo nso
any nipa ebusuafo any dey kwan so of ata and what is why a very polite and matured analysis was say MPP ni kura any betimi asoma ye mfa no emra say de na manfo ka say onumunyamfo doctor or say ya Edittion education minister ne de ye maintain because my tenem framem menam na metete say education minister no obi ampe so obeje e wo yewra his essence John Dramani Mahama amemobudo so far so good yewra his essence John Dramani Mahama oba ebe say a week ago and washa ase an appointment na minority mo accuse no say ai appointment ni bi wo no ma entwaye even kura no o committee kura so target chairman of the appointment committees there be water time so far so good appointment ayewra his essence John Dramani Mahama aye any vet na e course on ma be 10 minutes na face so your take on it
all right me that say message ya mahwefo ni machifo nyina yebeda His Excellency the GM as ewo ne nhihye ya wo de ben odi egu akwamu ba ye kan no ese woni NDC fo ehye ye bo ese nyame ya adom na se ye to aba e de mana na se wo swear in on the 7th obema enoma nyina ye de ben aye stable okan afi ne esa to so biem osa ma ye te ase se ono ankasa e ma ye te ase se cocoa price eye yewura eye adodan kwa akufo ado e to ne 31 million no obema akuafo atede a wobema ya to cocoa
6,000
no it's not 6,000 8,000 e wa hanomo afi wo mo sa ma ye te ase se cement ankasa cement asese ye to no 80 cedis no ombe ne flat rate be ye 30 Ghana eno na Ghana for e de ben ehwehwe ana afi so eye esukufo now say wo mo ko eye university first year for no me pamcho free tertiary you know me nuanom no eye de ben ehwehwe ana afi so ne sato so biem omo akasa ma ye te ase se afu of garon ebeba 10 Ghana so ate ase eno na Ghana for ehwehwe afi wo sa ma ye te ase se export and then import duty no ebe free eno na Ghana for hwehwe ana wo sa say wo jejeje wo experience ankasa ewo abamum yenu nti ehu hia say yemfa ye de obi a woni experience ebeba eti wo abade a Ghana for hwehwe bohye ankasa a wo ye de ben wo share odi sheba mami nko eye vetting committee a Chama, yes. Bernard, to be frank, yeah, Ghana Hanum. Ya womra aye di ye de be agiye adwuma ana parliament so no we say standing orders. Oh na me cho say wo ka bi say standing order 217 no muni adia. Procedure SFA ni select committee kura no muni ade no. Enye sa pepepe no mo ye de be. Ehwe so e de ye. Because of say omo person omo ye de be a manipulative system no so won na no ebi di say wo share the vetting na ye vetting yewura ato force omo share ye boss say omo ba ye can say vetting tax ombe de be ombe ye fi hono afi eye covid any emission tax any normal ekeka hu nyina mo si mu be de be mu be ye fi ho no eti se eye 13 committee atena se na se eye ye maame abena ye friend is abena was asare MP for Atiwa
former
yes
deputy
finance minister na se obisa a very tangible questions no money adia eye se wo as a chairman because they say no when him say ni the why the be when you to me you know tie say utimi tietia obi ono nso ye member of parliament tienio at the same time just no the be or a committee member ye bisa ye wura atofo sen say ebra wu ni abamu no o kan say betting tax ube the be ube ye afi ho no COVID tax ube ye afi ho emission tax ana fe so eye ye nuanom university for ya se so mo bekoi ekwan ya be fa so am be de be mo be hye a mo betimi ama san kra ni nyina ye wura Bernard ahiafo empese ye maame mo be de ben ebe vechi papa yiye enti no ane se chese o pese o de be intimidate no na se wo kan eye standing order 217 no ni abia eye clear say obi bia no eye say ansana vetting no ebekoso no yetimi ye de be publish kra wo graphic im emi ehun say nipa asumasi nipa bese miensa we say mo dia ye ba be veti wo mo na fe no say obi a wo what mamu ni bia te say bia me wo obi ho asem kan me suma timi a kire e dia call committee no say nipa asumasi enso no mo share say bia me take it for 1 week or 2 weeks ba mo take it 1 week pepepe enumpo ana mo ye de ben mo ehya ase na mo ehya ase no procedures a ese ekon mu nyina no mo pese mo ye de ben mo manipulate eti mesre yewura Bernard ahiafo say masa say no say wo no wanya tumi a eno nkire say eso odi betietie obi fa ahodie so because Ghana hanom ye de ben emra e wa hanom a ye de eye adwuma afen so said eye committee na omu yiye na nkasa no committee no anso pepepe because ebi dey say wo eye finance committee no mni ade a say ka omu include the chairman and the vice chairman and 2 more members from the finance committee this I say omu ye de be ya na the same thing applies to all of yini nyina so na me enti wo hwe said the normal AC kono ni ade a enye writing and omo ye debe omo eye eti ye bese said ye MPP aban eba ye na ebra ye yi yewura adodankwa Kufuado appointi obi a yetimi tena se na afi no munyina no mutimi
scrutinizing
yes na afi no munyi mo keka mo nsem bia fa hu bia na mo ye debe mo diagnose no so na me chono ye pese sa pepepe ye no e de ben ekoso pepepe ana mamu tiri mu so nyamo de ese ne ye di tumi no Ghana for di tumi na mamuti no mo ba betietia obi afa ahodie so Ghana for ni da onomo ye bohye bia mo hye ye no se mo ye de ben mo bo modin se mo betimi adi so na ye be hold mo accountable because mo ankasa mo manifesto e wa hanomo de mo kan ye bibia ye be hold mo accountable se de be ya mo be de be mo be ye ne pepepe na me de me wogidi amapa se ye ni patriotic party ye wo mu se ye no ma ye den ahwiegu ye se wo no ma ahwiegu a ana wo hu ne hyehye na ye soso no empanyifo de eno ma egu akwa mu na ma sure everybody say obi bia nka na koma Antoniyem MPP fo bia nka na koma Antoniyem na nyame ya adoma me wogidi amapa se eye 2028 MPP esa ebeba aban because bohye bia NDC di ma bia no onya je omu betimi aidai etimi ediso ohun enti se minu a ofata ebetena ha no mo se na wo pese wo edebe wo tutu emfutro di gu Ghana fo ani masa enye intimidation bia na betimi di aba so ati ase Ghana ha no emra ewo ha no a embra no soso no yesusu ye behwe se embra no ebeye adwuma because sa pepepe ne to abawie ye no ne ade atutwasem a wo emanfo no ne ade eye no the same thing na mo pese mo sa de edebe ede ba no ne ade a ye ka kire mo se de embra no wo hono mo a embra ye adwuma no sa pepepe so ana embra no ebeye adwuma e wo han
abusuafo ene de kwa so onumonyamfo Albert Edusafo ena wote ne nka no budo ena dodo na ede efe no ubetimi ede wadwenkyere aba 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message afabra Facebook adom best odo message ni ba make sure say odi udi beka ho baby a free beka ho ma no nso nya very polite and matured enya atim didie empanifo etitire any enintire enehwe the best global political show live on Koowaa or Home TV na kanashen say the best global political show odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa or drobo japekrum wono ene awie no nyankopon odifo onyankopon ako a wayi na amanyame ma oji nyame ma afri ye haw ene ya benedim yesi afefufrom ohaw amane bia edaw so bia no ko odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa asoye ewo drobo japekrum na ohaw ene wa benedie nyina ko hwegu onyankopon odifo onyankopon ako a enim na wono so entimi emwa na onhyira onkunimdi a ewo 2025 mu onsa entimi enka Nisak professional painting opese afia esimu u school dan u painting foforo asori dan u painting foforo e na afi ufie u painting foforo a Nisak professional painting e na ebetimi edi dwumadie no edi ama omu okumase asante mantem Atenga Junction baby abe Koowaa TV anase Home TV your friend Nisak professional painting pen for 0243 338204 0243 338204 and have a +1 401 584 0985 +1 401 584 0985 and Nisak professional paint na so ye na ye de ye ni etre na ye fie ye school dan ya sorry fie ye restaurant ye hotel omonso apenti ediama a great point borehole drill unsuo no watu da bia ho ba omo baji usika ene entunsuo no omu ni madwuma ne ye ko great point aso ye na unsuo no omu betu ni kama emfa ema wo mamponten asenia opposite super building mamponten asenia opposite super building eho na behu great point borehole drill fra omo ewo omo number 0243 910 292 0243 910 292 great point borehole drill omo so ene yekọ na yensuo no omo so abetu ame once again for adwenkyere bra 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 WhatsApp message and a normal SMS message afabra mananya very polite and mature. Don't forget say udi udin and so ebeka Facebook and so adom best Facebook adom best na sabre de me call budo honum ebio na yewura his excellency John Dramani Mahama or say anti LGBTQI bill 8th parliament no na private member bill say there enka enye government sponsored bill budo marima 7 minutes on this issue yanko
senior mesa dase bio mesa dase yewura John Dramani Mahama his excellency say there afi there wo say twa U10 ana sese enye yewura John Dramani Mahama ana eka kire ye say tieni o wo ka kire yewura adodan kwa kufuado ese tieni o on 12 March 2024 of atetienie mwankasa na mukae was say Akufo-Addo refusing to sign anti-bail bill due to foreign aid. Mahama. Me what? And yewura John Dramani Mahama ne kayo. Afe dia yewura John Dramani Mahama say kase. Was say say dia. Ye can say.
Anti-LGBT.
Yes, anti-LBGTQ plus no. Say dia ye for government sponsor.
Sure.
What be that? Obeka yewura Sam George. Enye yewura Sam George ya na ye de bay. E ka kire Ghana for say yewura Adedan Akufo-Addo. Empese obe de bay, obe sign eye bill no. Ene Ghana for ato aba. E di apam NPP e free ho no mo. Ana oje NDC ni yewura John Dramani Mahama aba. Hwe was it vote Mahama to come and sign anti-LGBTQ plus bill, Sam George. Tell ye. Now, afraid there, Aden and Waba Bemunum Adia. Afraid you will say, you charge you 10. May say, credits. And now we are the Bemu Honor.
Bishop Conference.
Yes, I said, and you was say on sign immediately. Because they say, I don't know Akufo-Addo. Only to me. NPP abanya free so say wo na ho no mo etinya dia so edebe oni ni boshe so said your fata eti ha no ma wo ka ani e boshe biara o ma hye bia no be no mese ni say won happen ni signature immediately so wo edebe o sign because Ghana for untimi metum futuro efam ni because Sam George Gina Parliament and where the bay or can't say no many. And if who the day, amu kase, ye can say Jubilee House on no more crown. Ya the bay, ya pay 2 on no more.
Budo me bow. Me pam chow any day kwan so mo amon frɛ no yen ka sɛ mon frɛ. Ebo be 740 a ye be last no e de amamo. Ebo 740 a e na betimi afre. Se de wo betimi de wadwenkyere aba. Budo mpa chow to aso.
Me bow. I was Muka say Jubilee House on no more, ya painting on no more, and then dear, what's up to you 10 say yes, I'll Yem, say no, append your signature. I was so, yes, I send it immediately. You're not Ghana for the to check because Modi ye campaign, papa. Eti bra Modi ye campaign, Modi what Sabocheno. Mashano, yes, sir, munya de beb, Mumo modin se mubedem, Mubedi so, and I feel so no, yes, sir, catcher warmo, esse, a year warmo answer sono, and my yet yasie, esse, Yamia domina so mo eba a bemu no mnia, say, my babemu, a bra ye 7, yes, no, na casana, see a toe aba on the 7th December na, ne kwesi ada pepe. And you who say NDC why the bay aba bemu and you do me nyina amamo ye no nti say koko akuafo hwe wo mu enim increment no because ye wura to force e can say Ghana ye to koko no 90 million ano na Akufo-Addo the bay eton any kwan say His Excellency the former president Adedan Akufo-Addo to koko no 31 million. So Timiton 80 million. Ya no na akuafo hwehwe. Afei so no omo sa share ye bo se omo ba be establish cash processing factory. Ya no Ghana for enyina ye debe. Ete se wo wante no ye de ye kai miminyale agwefie. Eti bibi debi.
Uni amnesia.
Me si bibi bia wo mo kan ye bia no ye be kotu wo mo bako. Yes. After almost cash processing factory no quite some establishing of bono any blue east in are for region
and LGBT card on
yes and I make a say
what we are
yes the American make a chance on sign on emission on sign and your friend no ba be any U10 bia because Ghana for any other so say or ba be sign because me tete I say ya can say always say omo no one only say kwa na ne ye can say na dafo bako one na emecho no o where be said Andrew Solomon no ni ade a Who say one no matter. Media is a let. Say one more no bois for campaign or more campaign ni kakra. Yanunti wo hwe no. O say aye no o pese wo ye Ghana for kokko de don. But then Ghana for any da hono mo. Yeah, expect say obey the bell, obey more days so obey sign immediately because so am I 120 days.
Sure.
It's 120 days no Ghana for sharing we say yewra JM what na now what ye chide and as you see the whole experience and woman bia MPP ye bia no now we see enye de ben enye and experience na wo no yes show pa cho bebre fasa experience na no ye de ben a sign.
Okay.
A sign pepepe e fama Ghana.
Si forma hwe.
Sa pepepe ne ehwe.
Abusuafo ni de kwan so nyam for Albert Edusafo e na wote ne kan for adwen kire bra 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Facebook message, WhatsApp message and SMS message afabra. Facebook no eye Adom Best. O person sponsor the best global political show so the same line 0243 12 36 46. Of attack, here is SLC. John Dramani Mama say anti LGBTQ plus bill. I was saying government sponsor bill. What any argument?
Because when we share na no cray wa memo wa paso pa the way how control na we work one of the best me share host be bree nenso nyesa wo tia na meka wonim say dem city
Okay.
enya meka
Madam say
na ye so a meka
Amishira.
pa
Onshira onso. Onshira
say
onso.
wo dachi papa
Amen. 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 Amen.
say political show bia e kosa de wo konu ya there won't be any clashes between the so-called opposition and the government.
Fantastic.
Adwuma ne be kote se Ghana adwuma ne.
Amishira.
Minia. Won hwe ekwan a minia fa so a Australia sa. Afi wo kwa no abesi nachi. Okwa ne abesi nachi. Enye by force say ye small se ko we opposition ti kono ko criticize ya wo betena wa na criticism na wo ka bia di keke. Hwe ye to aba na ye pe aban a waba na nhyehyɛ a ɛyɛ ne budget a wɔbɛyɛ no ɛna kyerɛ nhyehyɛ a wɔde ba constitution na wo kotu no constitution na ka kyerɛ wo sɛ the first quarter no ɛyɛ outgoing government and parliament in the pass budget ɛna ɛyɛ awra ne host me bo ana sɛ yampa
Very true.
outgoing government nso ɛnyɛ wo manifesto ne wo policy no de ɛyɛ na adwuma because onu akura no ya wonim se on the be we ni ana onye on the be we ni eti before so be pass no enye abro ni be ye na ye mu parliament we ya mu ye MPP ni ekufu ado basahye ade oye na dwe so obese wo man na anka November na ye ntu abakura anaka ye pass sa budget no onye na mebo ana sa ampa
Pata mesho tie.
Allow.
Tie was say
Budo,
Akufo-Addo. O me so man who say why ye president pay.
Allow.
But how I am is address His Excellency
Martin,
JM.
what
So,
the count?
oh,
What
of
the count?
attack men
Martin,
call sir.
Martin, well do.
Because a former
Martin,
president.
Budo, allow.
Budo
Yeah, minia.
be ye do no
The bill boy Akufo-Addo Ross. I was say
Tutu aba. Ungro Dr. Baumia say was
was it?
Eye Mahmoud Baumia. Who His Excellency John Mahama say ye koto aba de odu nsakoti me ye no. Na wo koto ama former president and answer president. Na ye John Mahama na
And
ne
it
wo.
was.
Enye disrespect. Some mentality na mo di she obi tim say wan ka Mr. wan ka former president
And
again. We
even
put them in
according to parliamentary proceeding or standing orders not. MP nye honorable ABR Dr. Kese Atuforsen. Very wrong. Atuforsen, Dr. Atuforsen, honorable member for. Not in the constituency.
Enti wo boni din na wo boni din tin constituency na e ba.
Okay.
Enti ya mu creating press bi say ati obi mu ade mo na mu bu ade. Wo dey fan say me mu ade.
His Excellency.
Because to ka na na do a na no mu odu si ne 30 bi a wo dey ma.
Would you find the former president? Can
Yeah,
say
That's what
I address it, sir.
na na do adwenbone basashi ade any was saying enti or catch the members of parliament say tax waiver bi a ye pedi ama MPP ye can say businessmen no say man
Be 43.
43 about $300 and something million Wo sorry ankwala nketewa to bet kura wo so wo jetas. Na wo sikani onu wanya ni sika besi the hotel. Wo say yam factors nche no. Enye abro ni be ye ni papa de sem a aban ben na be ye say.
Anya say pass tax.
Anya say yam pass tax. Bela mudi be ye adwuma yam pass. Mutina ho hwenyame anim ye say. Wonya kokodum condemn this act. Wuti ya sa betoto ayam bia. Enti me ka kire no wasua na akọ baabi a wankoye saafonso ni biem say budget asesi a eye adwuma no eye MPP led government and the budget na ba eye adwuma and MPP nso na ni tirim so obeto koko mu akọ 90 million ana say obema incentive bia boa wo man no enti hwe NDC budget from April no budget ebeba no seba ne niema we no nyina wo
ka level mu be ye free first quarter budget
sa ya kan na ya emphasize enti ama you have every right na yempo ye be support o amwa criticize because en sana ye de hye nkuno no eno a na ye de tie enti ya mo nhye mo ho so na nyese ye ka cho se wo opposition enti na wo be ka bia akeke wo hene edebe na MPP expect say Joma Mabeya ebeboa wo because NDC manifesto a yede ba abontene no emu de hene ana apese sabre yede ye adwuma ma ye be kire mo mumma Ghana nya akono na aniwuo na mo de akotena nchen no mumfa aniwuo no enkotena ho boko LGBTQ mesre bi nua ene MPP fo no ono nko eno me Methodist Wesleyan TV program bi a omo ye no so na ma fere am a reverend minister o ye Methodist ni ba eti so na sansem hunu ya MPP fo ka ya no so ka bi ensem hunu ya Wesleyan TV a reverend minister a wo ye Methodist ni te sam MTA na sansem hunu ya hwe private member bill so if you president or so no pa no be sign
sure
and a private member bill emu nye do say government sponsored bill say Nana Akufo-Addo His Excellency former president say na wope
yes sir
say na wope so wo bon anim onyam ho banya anka the best thing an say ye to abakwa wie ema eti anu wie ye no na nka wo sign because until 7th no na wo ye president of the Republic of Ghana mebwa
sure
enye wo no na ayonkofa eda Ghana ntem Ghana ne one of the country here on the seas no aka say Ghana ne mu ni hwe ye biem umuni enti ne wo senko wo ba wo ba do mama say ye ka say private member bill e ka kura egomu no e ko individual po enye sa na tie enti muma oman nan kasa nyintum se ye Ghana fo ana say adwumadie ye mpe enye obi na de be hye ye kon Wasi won hunu sabi ani biemo nyanse wa asem we mu eti won sanhwe for your information a moment Akufo-Addo Nana-Addo president former His Excellency ansign no 7th parliament ni wu ye no 8th parliament ni wu ye no and ni bill ni wu because obeka ya ebra parliament ni wi ni die nyina na ode call presidency no sa return back to the parliament. Eti ankoda presidency president no when insansom because o man nkrofo court to say court on 5 junction to so and was share an executive secretary say faade no ko na kato nso mu ni platform de beba enti emira sa parliament ni wu ye no eni bill ni nyina ewu
yeah
for your information enti say yes a bill no ye beti hu dwuma I was say starting from afresh for your information. I was said one year bia no ye say nya sankrofo na ba no mo betina say no mo sa ye nhihye esa de kwa parliament and was say a delay a diniema bebre ba so obeka ya MPP agreement no mo ye nyina ne say sa dwumadie no say at the cost e bebre wo man na enu kwas anamebo sa na mra ne kire so wo ye private member bill na say on man ne bebo so kadea and we na ka ho the delay
yet and Supreme Court ni ade
of course but that
say age kind
odame and na yenya ban bi a wo say ai me mpese be private member bill na obi nso di akokọ to say e ka bebam It won't share my government, and sign. It is an on my nine fencing in now to the uncle. No more televisions, one PP agenda. Hey, can say one sign in there, on sign it now. Or best sign, mamma, or best sign. I was say a fat proper channel was say, or no one not buying a GS in the now to say, Sabe, we yenya as I'm manaya yenya ba, and yaba no my year of na yenya j, near yen na ya jia too, because yen believe. Say, yeah, cap it's low, yeah, cut a bushia. One would jig to an apple for what will bush. Oh, yes, Debbie. First day, I was Ghana, that's the first one. First day, I was African,
now we are referee and Solomon on there.
I'm making Kai, I'm on for messages. I hold. But good morning, boss. Please, I'm watching live from Sevier also. Please tell the MPP man to keep mute because of their arrogant and greedy that has sent them to opposition. JM all the way. I love Baumia. He's a true man of God. He's humble, but people around him are so arrogant and selfish. This is the reason why I voted for JM. Or also a messenger or the free a year 7 years or so. Me patron what he say? Ye chia 7 years or so for na. Ye mamu na ahe o ahe. Mamen koson ken kai messages I hold on. If I was good morning. My name is Cletus. All the way from Wenchi, tell the MPP man that I believe NDC will do all promises. And he's talking about law. Now, they loses no law. Okay. On also message, what they no. Was hey MPP, you are still speaking your arrogance words. Please let me remain here about Joe Wise, how he did doing vetting. We Daniel was free. Go so I have a region and a day a buyer. Was say, please tell the MPP man to stop making noise. One founding mama Mr. Message no bar. Mo de bar monfa mudin and count. Na face no. Monto mubuase and type message no. Emfa embra aha. We operate or the free to whom and it was greeting to my MP, honorable proposer, MP for Suhumai, we are waiting for the 24-hour economy work so that we, the youth, will be employed. Ghana will keep reminding JDM and NDC members about the promises they gave we, the citizens. Regards to Honorable Dr. Brian Echampong, Eastern Regional Grassroots Father, where I operate, or also Eddie Free Suhum, and a day a buyer. Mamen WhatsApp Namen King Kawase. Good morning, the champion host. I thank God for bringing JDM back to reset Ghana's economy. Mismanaged by Nanado and Dr. Baumia Evans or the free Suhum Ena. It was high or the Sheba. Parents should find money to pay their wars fees in SHS because the cancellation by JDM has come to do his routine work. Where appear or the free Ethiopia and a day was good morning or this year. I thank His Excellency JDM for appointing Dr. Frank Amakohini as Ashanti Regional Minister. In fact, he has made the youth proud. Where Foster appear or the free Joso and Edebe was my name is Honorable Lovista from Asante Bekwai. I really love Ofata was say no LPG parliamentary candidate. Ewo Asante Bekwai. When so Emmanuel or the free tepa na deba was MPP man talk too much. Emmanuel the free tepa na ede ebae. Facebook messages no so ebi han on fa odi emaya 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. Facebook James Entry was the best morning show of all time. James Entry messenger or day even or pare odiano yedikai akenkan WhatsApp at the amount. Way Kobe Skylar also there was a nice show. Kobe Skylar konomo and now Kobe Skylar also able to ubetimi afre now they were doing today about 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46. Producers edit council eya monfa voter line no enka ho na fe test line no so no 16 na enye call line 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Mr. James Ahen we auto gauge for chairman Ubutu East Legon anope odi sheba ko Facebook me ma wo efinhia pa eja bebrese Nana Ajiman Aponchi break Elu Tamine team of auto gauge me ma mu nyina happy New Year 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Fre Nafa Wadwenchere Ebra aha 0243 12 36 46 producers no kika enhuman bom at the last no egu screen so OPK the patriotic voice Eddie free go so ena by was my regards to Dr. Digitalization Baumia and Mr. Steven in team MPP National Chairman. Mahama cannot be trusted on anything. He lied to us about LGBTQI plus bill. That is, his faith doesn't allow it practice. Way OPK the patriotic voice or the free go so ena ebaye 0243 12 36 46 0243 12 36 46 Fre Nafa Wadwenchere Ebra producers ni eguso ekeka man budo mama 1 minute who accept mama 1 minute
yo odesheba yini se mate se ye kan se ye rajm asha se bobo ye DC fo no ne MC fo ne di na bi ti se wo hwe bi ti se mi akasa me uncle Wallace Anders Wallace baby
why do my power
NDC for ne ye ntime de me fast figure we see so ese ye kan se NDC for se nyame ayado number maba uncle Wallace baby o eye seche south for Mr. Monfa DC ma we ni kwan so ko ni vet bia ana yewura Jake Kazantoro wofata se wofata ti ha no mu ni ade omunyina no omo position ni omo position ni bia na evangelist pra mu ni nyina omo because e kan se party there wo ye adwuma na se party no e ba ban mu a se party no so ye de be e reward
na the Ashanti regional secretary
yes amwakoyin say ofri e kan say me anka me constituency yes Asante Mampo
okay so what kind of appointment there
good morning
Debi na me kan say e bra omo appoint no sa akrofo ni nyina na omo momode say omo so be hye omo ni
0243 12 36
hello
first caller udini be bia kasa fi 1 minute
ye frame Yesu me fefru mabrasa
opedikase wadwenchere
me chia opata bibi
okay
ofata Yesu ne kasa ye nia MPP ni na okasa no ne mi busa ne se adi na hina sabri o prese president ensusa ene mama ne se ne o ywe no ewu afi se onyankopon ko na na dodan ko atwinedi and ewu afi se one district one factory ne yente ho hwe ne ewu afi se one village one dam yente ho hwe tomato sikura afia fontini wia ye nya nsuo nua ne ma onto no bo ase na na papa na ba obey na djuma se ne se ya da mase
next caller udini be bia kasa hello 0243 12 36
hello
boss udini be bia kasa free
ye frame Yesu mfefiri hu mabrasa
okay ni Yesu for ba
me chia ofata
okay
yo minia MPP ni na okasa no onto ne bo ase na je no mo ba ye nche awon de ne ya opese won twitwa bibia mu no ye hwemo no mu fie motwe onyankopon asore da no mu antimi ansi aso Ghana tika no ma che di se mu di si
okay
one village one dam
next caller udini be bia kasa free hello
because I feel go so region
okay open udini wadwenchere
but also
udini wadwenchere
with the mesre MPP ni na otwo da Roma se okasa onto no boas because see ya ne ye ya edi ekupi bebi a enye mesre so nya wotre
next caller udini be bia kasa free hello next caller udini be bia kasa free obi jina so mon pikin next caller udini be bia kasa free
hello
boss udini be bia kasa free
Pacho your friend honorable Kwame Eji, a great year assemblyman.
Okay, Yanko.
Pacho mpesa me catching me a MPP ni no we senior. Me pesa me catching on to no boate. Ne kata no kra wo kasa na echire be dia wo. Yen hwe subambani e yen yen MPP for be ye. Garam say wo kuje excavator. Ahye no. Enye nenye MPP for na akokra excavator ne maki say ye fa yi akwai. Ade no ma former district assembly. Subambani a mo ye ye enfie nwotwe a mo tete no. Mo be tra ba so ade na mo ye ye. Mo be mo of ataba so. Ade
Let's call out Dini baby akasa free. Hello?
Pacho your friend ya usako because free offense.
Open the case wa.
Pacho yes yenya MPP ni say onya wote ye di 2 million kunya no emo mo HS o ma tima nya hwe so say ewura jo mama ba so enya wote the jo mama ba hye bibia pepepe amaye mano
Yeah, that's fantastic. Let's call out Dini baby akasa free. Hello? Let's call out Dini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Boss, Dini baby akasa free.
Hello, welcome man, make a center already. Hello, welcome Emmanuel. Hello, you're from Emmanuel, make a center already. Oh man.
Young Koowaa, my TV didn't go.
And this is one hour mobile Mokasa, we have a Nasa, Ghana now, mobile now, Anabe, say, baby, she can have it in Elmoa.
In the future. Let's call out Dini baby akasa free. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
Me pacho nyame adom me hoye.
I'm off a young boy.
Me pacho. We dia me srem mo kan che MPP ni se onto ne bo aswai.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's call out Dini baby akasa free. Sani, this is the best global political.
Me pacho family mam kasa free tapa.
Okay, my young boy.
Pesa me kacha MPP ni na wakasa nsu unya ne ho abota. Uzu nkasa.
Hello?
Hello, Yanko.
Okay,
my Yanko.
The American say any for now, mobile, Kasa, me have to why. No, I'm moving out to 2 hours.
Let's call I am called Dini baby akasa free.
Me Kasa free, Makati.
Okay, open the case 1 minute, Yanko.
Tell the NPP man sitting down there, no, that look at all the people that are calling on the phone. Have you seen that NPP man have called? He should just stop talking all those kind of stuff and listen to the Ghanaians that are speaking.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Time for your submission. Next call out Dini baby akasa free. Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Dini baby akasa free.
Good morning.
Morning, boss. Dini baby akasa free.
Good morning. My first people was in the Franco.
Okay, Franco Yanko.
We are sort of beginning to do we have to say. All kind of project
okay, Okasa no for man if still ham. Next call out
Dini
baby akasa free. Hello?
Hello.
Boss, Dini baby akasa free.
Hello, what's my gun?
Me pacho Yanko.
Medindi. Hello, Medindi, man, make a selfie magazine.
Yanko, Yanko.
The attendant said, and it's a one of Mukasa, Monto Mubasu. Why?
Next call out Dini baby akasa free. Hello?
Me pacho good morning.
Good morning, dear. Dini baby akasa free. Auntie Emi Yanko.
Shabudu. Kacha ne say necessary million e kase.
Okay.
So from pacho. And I no pay off. Omo friend na say and easy for those. Nemo omon kai hu say na nadu dan kwaku for the wabi bi. Papa yebi ko. Na so wo so wa me yehia. Ye hwe ye mahama aba no. Also be ye.
Okay.
Nti omo susu nuru papa no. Na wabi yebi. Wabi yebi pa.
Yeah, that's it. Next call out Dini baby akasa free.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, dear. And a man I just show nafa. You had me to obey Tirana. Why am I with baby akasa free?
Me pacho, mon country and put me say yesterday now on to the boss why.
Okay. Yate ye do ase, obeto ne bo ase. Ene ma na je show nafa. Minim si ye de meto wo ba ni ntia. Next caller udini baby akasa free. Good morning boss, udini baby akasa free.
Me the Francis, me Francis Koowaa.
Okay, Francis Bacho yanko.
Yo, me open se lo bia so ya na ni na bo tre, ni na bo tre. Every time it's ever tre. Can't start the show na ya. Now so you go. Now, but me you go 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 ati there because every day dem is a fact. You go take that, you go continue now ya. The amount of college ya ya. You go ati there, you go there. You show, you show. Almost all have put up because of okay issue. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Next caller udini baby akasa free. Hello? Next caller udini baby akasa free.
Me kata freedom.
Me Bacho kasa free hen.
Me kata freedom pass.
Don't pass
Hello.
Bacho udini wa je nchire.
Me kata freedom pass.
Me Bacho wa je nchire why?
Me kata freedom pass.
Ye tie o ma TV ne
Kata edit.
Next caller udini baby akasa free.
But you tell me, Chaco, the person official on it.
Okay, young.
Yes, sir, in your MPP person. Say, we have the chairman. The moment say, the first month you.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Next caller udini baby akasa free. Hello? La next why she 024312 36 0593 410031. Good morning, boss. Udini baby akasa free.
Grandma Santi, me kata for official before.
Okay, yanko.
And I am then a cathedral and another no this we get in charge of Montano. John Domani Mama by my sister. But obey him. It's grandmother and go to Jobu from. It's Papa with him. I saw for me involved now, for my example. On for moon, we are met with their brother, every kind of me MVP Nipa. Is it a brother? We can go on to committee on to museum. And to say again, it's kind of or go to need them and company to the MVP need to have a man.
Next caller udini baby akasa free.
Your family have a vita conside.
Okay, 1 minute yanko.
The best of can say.
Na mi bo takwen se mre kudu ka na ho ye.
But no way.
Okay. Ya no achi ana.
No way when the EMP pay. Welcome. The best of can say, obi fe no ka say. Na do buy wa be bi na mo from to anya bi. E wo musa. Mahama buy sa na Ghana for nine. O na mahama wa me bi. O fi so no e ke yu say sa na nyimo ba ya na so ofa. So ntine ya san ya so aba na dia ma no.
Okay.
It is almost a simple thing no kasa no nya ko so omujitu. Obi mfrem ka say na do wa ba ye bi mama yenka. Wa ba ye bi a.
Ye fa callers me no account. Next caller udini baby akasa free. Hello?
Good morning.
Morning, boss. Udini baby akasa free.
Me kasa free nsamon.
Okay, open wa dwen chire.
Mpacho. Ma che mi yanke. Onyankopon. Nipa hin etumi da na che. Na do no be ye no. Check check and so nipa eni. Na mo papa yi aye ade mu yi na ye. Aye che obi atora MPP ni no o katale onyanto munka mwachi pa misemu munka mwachi.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, for last caller ubo rema 30 seconds ye be mo akonya. Last caller udini baby akasa free. Hello? Okay, na obi am idea ene mame nko. Last caller udini baby akasa free.
Morning.
Morning, boss. Udini baby akasa free. Okay, yanko. Open your audience, yanko. Oh, when you free so. Budo yanko 1 minute, yanko.
Yo, audition ba ne be kan say
1 minute.
Said ye be ma for one more frɛ ye say minya botre wo he because ye bosha wa hye Ghana for ana adwuma a MPP aban na mo se enye yie nyina na ye etimi ye ma na ye yie enti wo se Ghana for se ye ntena chen na se waba se wudi wo bo hye so na wo ye ne pepepe ema yehu ye no ti na me ka ne se me budo me nyare awefi ye be holdu yewura excellency JM accountable on the NDC fo nyina ye no ti ne me ka nyina ne se me party mpanyifo mehyemo ese baabia adru no mesese momma yi nyina yemfa enkabomu any unity pa no na afie sa fa hye party no na me dem me wogidi amapa se coming 2028 MPP esa be fan into mapa
ebusuafo ndi kwa so nyamfo Albert Edusafo AK Budo na ote ne kana fata 1 minute ye ko
ohene medase ye da chiefuo ne ahwefo ne mo free ye nyina ase na as usual MPP ntie futuo eno ni wo mo ne se MPP ye nkrofo mu tie futuo a anko de wo mo nya de konko mo 3 months pe na nko fa nhwe dwomama enhyehyeye se at least mo pe bi akakora mo ma no 14 days no ka so de the cabinet ne betu bia no na nka mo nhwe ade na sori na 1 week pe o cha obi abe mu se wo nye serious obi fira ya o se Kofi Buachi was the one of the best police officer Ghana produce but aburo ni beyenti ekufu adoni MPP ye ma bi se o mbegu nanimu ase sa ko ken sama e ba ye no enye ekufu adon nkrofo enye MPP nkrofo yes ade to omo ba 8 good years omo ntimi amfana
ofata ye so wotama so
me pacho just a minute okay me pacho just a minute ye me sire Ghana fo nyina ne se enkan am DC appointment ye mu nyina mo ka de mo no to mo
ofata ma bodwuma ni Jake ma bodwuma
especially Mr. Wallace
it's true
Mr. Wallace said the mu nyina kan kenu kwa kura so obi ne no
premium
say 2 years kura na papa ne be dia ye function na ni mo nya
say wo fa phone na mo fra JM
because papa no wa point DC and I near me be Jake Azanchibu
Jake Master Jake
one of the longest communicator in the this region
more than 20 years
me see one of the longest
but
seniors me wo chidie e wona na pesi ene amwako hinimu say at least se communicators enya ba bia akora sha enye ye nua Jake
ba wo so wabre
enye me na
dabi wo me e ka se Misha was Safi
na se ye ka DC ene MC appointment dia atwema pangma honorable Obatampa Grace Achimai Asamoah 2 times parliamentary candidate ewo atwema pangoma or chief internal auditor me stress yewura his excellency John Dramani Mahama obehye Obatampa Grace Achimai Asamoah enimunyam wakon mu vote na 5000 ewo atwema pangoma or dia koduru 18000 obabesi a wo ye PC ewa Sante Mountain enye ize Asante we dem say man no me bless 4
kwada so
yes kwada so esibe yes and now go dwabe nso a onso be hu ohene why the use ohene why the ewo ejo so enso ye jerigen enso ewo bosom okay set ankra doctor set ankra bosomtwe doctor set ankra enso aboduma and na menua achi palato aha combat wono so aboduma na deputy communications officer ewo Asante Mampong man MC kura na mo de ambassador kura na mo betimi e de ama honorable Achi Palato the name still remains audition